Guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. This is Ogowadi. I appreciate you for coming. So today is my husband's birthday, April 14th. I decided to make him a homemade birthday cake. All right, so I'm gonna use this opportunity to say a happy birthday to every April born. God bless you all. So I'm gonna be using excuse me, this flour. This is a self-rising cake flour. It already has baking powder and salt in it. You don't need to add it anymore. Okay, very simple. And also you're going to be using milk. I'm using buttermilk, a cup of buttermilk. I'm going to be using 3 eggs. This has been on room temperature. 1 cup of sugar. Adjust your sweetness the way you want. I already measured out the buttermilk. You see how it looks like milk. I'm going to be needing like a tablespoon of vanilla extract, pure vanilla extract. And I'm going to be using like a half a cup of butter. This is a salted butter, which half a cup is supposed to be 8 tablespoons here. And here I have a fondant I already made. Normally I have fondants that are made already in my freezer. So when I need it, I'll just bring it and defrost it and use, okay? So this is all we need. And of course I need my hand mixer. If you have a stand mixer, go ahead and use it. I'm going to be using 2.5 cups of the flour, and I'm gonna sift it. Okay, so let's go into making this cake. Measure out 2.5 cups. This is how to measure your flour. You fill it up and then you level it up. That's how you get the right measurement. If you have a measuring scale, you can also use that. So I'm gonna be sifting it to get a smoother batter. Okay, so just sift it in. You see all that? I'm gonna discard this. I like to, though my sugar is powdered, but you know, just sift it. It doesn't hurt to sift it. Remember, no more baking soda or salt because already it has it. Though my butter is salted, I don't have unsalted, but on a good day I would have used unsalted butter. But anyways, margarine works too. So now you crack in your eggs. Be careful so the skin doesn't go into the yolk and the egg white. You add the milk. Now it's time for the, I hope I still have, yeah. Oh, I'm running out. It's supposed, oh thank God I have another vanilla here, because I was wondering. This is gonna be like a vanilla cake kind of. If you don't want too much vanilla, you can add just a teaspoon, but this is a tablespoon. And finally, I'm going to put the stick of butter. Use margarine. If I had margarine, I would have used. Margarine is so great for baking. But I'm using what I have now. I don't want to go to the store because of margarine or salted butter. Hopefully, the salt won't be too much. Anyways, I'm trying to get this off. Mixer. Okay, so now I'm gonna pour it into the flour so I mix. Let me just use my hand first and bring it together before I mix. I don't want flour all over the kitchen. So I whisk some medium. Okay, that's fine. So let me scrape the sides down with my spatula. So I'm using the round pan today. I'm just gonna spray it down. You can leave it. I'm using the baking spray, and I have my pre-cut parchment paper. I'm gonna put it here for easy removal, and we just go ahead and transfer our cake batter into the pan. I just want to do this to level it up. Okay, so now I'm gonna put it in my oven. My oven is already preheated. It's gonna be in the oven for 35 minutes. Sorry for the noise. My window is open because the kitchen is super hot, so sorry about the background noise. So we're going to the oven now. You see, I put water in the pan just to keep the cake moist enough. So we'll be back 35 minutes. Okay guys, the cake is out of the oven. I'm gonna allow it to cool, like all the way cool, because since I want to add, you know, one of these fondants. So if not, if you don't wanna, you can add like a cream cheese. No, not cream, just a cheese. Anyway, whatever you want to add, just use it, or you can eat it plain like this. After all, it's homemade. So when it's cool, I'm just gonna go ahead and put my frosting or dressing, whatever I decide to use finally. Okay, so see you when it's cold. So guys, the cake is ready. I also have one little one in the oven still. I'm thinking I might layer it up, but if not, but for now this one is ready. So I'm just gonna allow it to cool. You know, I'm gonna allow it to cool. All my frosting to it. Okay. Alright guys, I didn't realize I didn't press record. Like Nick Nima would say, just press record. I forgot. Anyways, I'm just using this sprinkler to decorate it, okay? Since I didn't use the fondant anymore. Let me see which other color. Let me put blue. I'm just like putting any color I like. Yeah, just play around with it. And let it just sprinkle all over. All over the place. If you're a cake decorator, a cake maker, don't come for me. I'm just making mine for fun. If you do not mind. Anyways, I think this is good. And here is my husband's birthday cake. I like the fact that it doesn't really have much sugar. I tested the one I cut off. It doesn't have much sugar, so this sweetness is gonna, you know, gonna substitute for that. So thank you guys for joining me. Happy birthday once again to everybody born in the month of April. God bless you all. Please, if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe, like the video, share this video, make your own cake at home. It's fun, believe me. You don't have to look for perfection. Just make yours as own. Just from the bottom of your heart, with love, to your loved one. So stay safe, stay blessed. Bye.